So we know the temperature dropped on Monday 7 degrees from Sunday. So let's first figure out what the Monday temperature is. It's going to be 35 minus 7, which is 28 degrees. So that means that our first choice of Monday being 23 degrees is not correct. Now the next one is Sunday minus Tuesday is 27. Well, Sunday is 47. Sunday is 35 and Tuesday is negative 12. So when we subtract these, we end up with 47. So this one works. And then Sunday minus Monday is 12. So let's do Sunday, which is 35, minus Monday, which is 28, gives us 17. So this will not work either. And then Monday minus Tuesday is 28 minus a negative 12. These become positive. 28 plus 12 is 40, so that one works. So there's two that are correct.